Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Odabeni likababa uMzwanele Manyi, umkhonto wesizwe phathi ukhipha istatement namuhla uqinisekisa ukuthi ngempela uMzwanele Manyi akasesiye uChief Whip womkhonto wesizwe phathi nanokwazisa abantu ukuthi kubekwe uColin Makhubela as uChief Whip omusha womkhonto wesizwe phathi. Kwababuka ivideo yayizolo ngishilo ukuthi njengoba umkhonto wesizwe phathi ungakasho lutho sisayizwa nje emoyeni kuzothi bangakhuluma bese nathi siqinisekisa. Kwangena omunye ke wacomment wathi nathi sireporta amahemhem ngabona ukuthi abantu bakithi kufuneka sibafundise ukuthi kungani sireport indaba noma singena siqiniseko sayo. Sithi sizula inuki ngosiwanga futhi into eziningi ezenzeka kuma political parties uma uhambela kude nemedia angeke uzuzazi. Nento eziningi ezivela ngama political parties zivela kwimedia zithi mase exposewe kwimedia bese bephumela obala bezikhuluma. So ukhona abantu ababonayo ukuthi ingqondo yabo bayayivilaphisa. Uvele nje umuntu wakhona athi yena uma ehleli phansi nengqondo yakhe ayenze ihlale kanye naye angayenzi sabalala ngoba lana asithi hayi sikhuluma inzwa bethi sithi nabo ubufakazi nako okukhulunyiwe noma ngiwabonile ama-poster abanye njengo-Andile Mgxithama ovele waphumela obala eliwasho ukuthi bayamamukela uChief Whip omusha. Kodwa ngifuna ukuzwa nalonto ngithe nginethulela nazi izindaba ngoba kukhulunywa ngazo kodwa umkhonto wesizwe phathi uma usuqinisekisile ozokusho sobe sesiza sithi bekuyiqiniso noma bekungamanga. Inhloso yevideo ezolo bekukuveza ukuthi nansi indaba ekhulunywayo asikakabi naqiniso layo. Manje sesinesiqinisekiso sokuthi uChief Whip womkhonto wesizwe phathi akuseyena uMzwanele Manyi. Ngenhlahla ke uFloyd namuhla mayikhuluma nobaba lo wakwaMbeje osebenzele iSABC bambuzile waphendula ke. Angazi noma sikhona isidingo sokuthi ngifunde istatement noma ngivele nje ngicaphuna inkulumo kaFloyd. Kodwa bengichazela izolo ukuthi ngiyasola ukuthi isizathu senza ukuthi bangayikhiphi incwadi izolo noma istatement izolo ukuthi uNhlamulo Ndlela naye beka kwi-portfolio committee. So ubengeke akwazi ukuthi abe kwi-portfolio committee aphinde futhi abhale i-statement lesi. Okubalekile nje abakuvezayo la ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe phathi ujabulela uku-announce ukuthi sewube u-appointwe uColin Makhubela as uChief Whip omusha womkhonto wesizwe phathi eParliament with immediate effect. Uthatha kusuka kuMzwanele Manyi oseve kahle iphathi. Abakubeka futhi ukuthi uHonorable Makhubela uletha i-wealth of experience, strategic leadership kanye ne-commitment ne-vision nama-values omkhonto wesizwe phathi. Futhi basadlulisa ukubonga kakhulu ku-Honorable Mzwanele Manyi ngeservice abenayo kumkhonto wesizwe phathi. UFloyd ke bambuzile uzosichazela ukuthi kungani sibona le inguquko. Kabi khona into uMzwanele Manyi ayenzile noma cha. Silindele ukuthi ke asiphe leyo mpendulo. Kanti ke silindele nodaba lika Mary Pardee. uMary Pardee uthe namhlanje uzositshela okuyikona kona okwenzakalayo. Ngiyibonile ke ivideo yakhe ngashwa ngakayilaleli ngizoyenzela ivideo yayiceleni. Ngisafisa ukuyilalela qala ngizwe ukuthi ngiziphi lezi indaba ngempela athe uyeza umhla ka28. Silindele ukuthi uMary Pardee ke ahluba udlube ekhasini. Engikuzwile nje akusho ngesonto ukuthi umama uBusiswe Mkhobane advocate uBusiswe Mkhobane is just an ordinary member yomkhonto wesizwe phathi akasi convener shooting nguye. Sizoqhubeka ke lapho kodwa kwamanje sisakhuluma le ngicela uzwe nango Floyd.
One other thing which South Africa should appreciate is that Mkhonto wesizwe is not a democratic alliance. Mkhonto wesizwe is not the economic freedom fighters. Mkhonto wesizwe is its own party, does not play to the gallery for just attention of social media. We do our work and we know what really matters to the people. That is why even before the elections, a lot of people underrated or undermined the capacity that Mkhonto wesizwe has. A lot of people were shocked, including those who are leading other political parties, that Mkhonto wesizwe came to represent the true interest of our people. So it's so far so good, but there's a huge scope and space for improvement that that can always be affected. Hence, this constant discussion and review of the work of our public representatives.
So is that the reason why the chief whip was perhaps removed yesterday?
No. So, you know, for an organization that is still at the formative stages, there will always be strategic and tactical considerations as to the composition of its leadership collective. And not because someone who is in a position is doing wrong or has done wrong. Sometimes there are strategic considerations that are made in terms of who should play which role. And the leadership collective came to a decision that we should assign Tsikani Colleen Makhubele as the chief whip in the National Assembly to then work with our party leader, Dr. Mandlakaise Hlophe, to guide the entire caucus towards a different and much more impactful direction. And that does not reflect on anything wrong that was done by the former chief whip, Mzwanele Manyi. And even before him, there was a Commander Sihle Ngubane. He played his part, and then there was consideration that let's have Mzwanele Manyi as a chief whip. Now there is assigning of Colleen Makhubele as the chief whip. It doesn't say that there is anything wrong that was done by either of those that were replaced.
Nampendulo le uFloyd ayiphe ubaba lo ukuthi cha kube ukubonisana kwe leadership ukuthi okay kufuneka isiphi strategy abafuna ukusebenzisa base bebona ukuthi kungcono kungene usisi uColleen Makhubele ngoba uyena ozoba uchief whip. Futhi ushilo wathi umkhonto wesizwe party njengephathi esasanda kufonywa ukuhlale benze babe nama reviews okwenza ukuthi igcine kuthathwa zona lezi nqumo zokuthi abanye basuswe la babekwele abanye basuswe la bade bekhona hayi ngoba kukhona into errong ayenzini. Sizokhumbula ukuthi esibikelwe khona izolo abezindaba bathe ukhishwa nje ingoba kube khona ukungaboni ngasolinye phakathi kwakhe no Dr. John Hlophe. Kodwa kwi statement esibhalwe umkhonto wesizwe party akukho la kuvela khona leyo nkulumo ecishibe njalo. Na kuyinkulumo kaFloyd akukho la uzowenza umzekelo ukuthi ngaphambi kukaMzwanele Manyi ukhona umunye umuntu waye uchief whip ngoba ngaphambi kukaFloyd ukhona umunye wasecretary general. So umkhonto wesizwe party uhamba ubashintsha abantu ingoba bathi sanda kufonywa kusabhekakala ukuthi isiphi strategy esingasetshenziswa ngasikhatsini bese kuzamnywa lezo ndlela lezo. Ngicabanga ukuthi iyona nkulumo ebengifuna ukuyiqinisekisa le osukwini lanamuhla. Angizokuthatha ke indaba zibeningi, ngizothatha lena nje kuphela ngoba iyona daba ebengifuna ukuliqinisekisa njengoba izolo bengithe uma sesinodaba oluqinisekisiwe sesizwile umkhonto wesizwe phatha uthini ngabe uyaziphika le nkulumo ekhona noma uyazivuma. So beke sesibuya sengenza ivideo ke ezobe esesichazela ukuthi kwenzakalani iyona ke ivideo le. Ngiyacela ku comment, ngiyafisa ukuza ukuphawula kwakho, ushare, ulike. Ngakujabulela futhi kakhulu ukuthi mawungaka subscribe usubscribe ku channel. Ngibonge futhi nakubantu abasubscribile kule channel. Lo mndeni ukhula ngendlela ebengakaze ngayicabanga. Indlela okhula ngayo ingaphezulu kokucabanga kwami. Sengivele ngibuke manje. Ngibuke indlela ekhula ngayo ngoba nginokubeka itarget ukuthi hayi kuleli viki mangathola ama subscribers awu10 kuvele kufike 40 noma 50. Manje ke uyakhula lo mndeni kakhulu. Ushuthi khona into engisayenza kahle. Efuna nani ningilekelele mangiphume endleleni ningibonise. Kodwa ningibonise mangabe ngenza into ephuma eceleni ngempela. Kodwa mangabe kungenxa yama video mhlambe esuke siwenzile wasufuna ukuphikisa iphuzu lelo, ufuna ulethe ubufakazi ukuze nami ngizokwazi ukuguqula umqondo wami. Ngibone ukuthi cha nansi indlela efuna ngihambe ngayo. Ungasupporta ku join membership yale channel, ungasupporta ku donate noma ngamalini ikhona i-account ku comment ephiniwe. Ngale kwalokho mina nawe asidibane kwi video elandelayo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.